Hi there, Chris here. Well, I was hoping to do an out-of-the-package pick of a BKS that's coming, and it tracked and says it's out for delivery, but somehow it hasn't showed up, so I'm gonna do something else. I have the world's cutest oval. It is a fox. And here's the bidding on the key. It says Dom, but maybe Fox is a cheaper version of Dom or something. But you turn the key and it pops out, and there you go. So I think it's like it's a cabinet, glass cabinet lock or something. But it does have a fairly challenging keyway. I've only ever picked this once, but I thought I'd give it a shot on camera here because my BKS didn't show up, or it hasn't showed up yet. And I do like BKS locks. All right, stay in frame, damn it. And I'm using light tension. I'm just trying to set these guys. Felt a slight movement on the core. I did get it open by single pin picking. But I'm not going to get it open when I do that. Maybe I didn't use this one. Wow. I guess if I hold it down, I'm not sure if that's choking off the core or not. Oh, that'll work. It'll just stay there. These are kind of little pins, so. Come on, it's an interesting keyway. if I can get a little rake in there. I can get my little pick in there. The one and only pick I've ever made, which is in 18 thousandths. It's made out of feeler gauge. Don't seem to be having any luck though. I'm kind of not surprised because I've tried this a bunch of times. I probably tried it, I don't know, 6, 7 times before. Quick tries, didn't get anything in just a minute ago. I was watching Mr. and Mrs. Deadlocks, who are hilarious and informative, and I picked it open. So I guess I really didn't know what I wasn't really paying attention to the lock. Some sets, let me try a rake or how about a Snakey rake in 12 thousandths? All right, here we go. No luck. Go back to this guy. Maybe the baby pick. Huh. Maybe top of the Keyway. If I can find that one. Just to at least give my hand a little rest. Let's try this double peak. Maybe it was just a fluke. It sure seemed to pick easy though. Crunch, crunch, crunch. There we go. Well, it fought hard, but I got it. Well, cool. So it wasn't a fluke. See if I can get this to come back down. There we go. Anyway, that is a little kind of a glass cabinet lock, I think. It says Dom on the key, but it says Fox, F-O-X, on the lock, a Fox 830. And there again is the key. Whoops, there again is the key. I'm gonna have to go back and see what I popped it on. All right, anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully the BKS shows up. So I can pick those. I do like those. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment. And we'll see you, get Suki up there, next time.